Hello everyone, my name is Michał Herda. I have a presentation from Robert Strandh, who cannot attend this year, so I will be here pretending to be him for just about 5 minutes before I get shot. You might have... Didier is busy. Oh, okay. We have SICL, which is a new implementation of Common Lisp. You might have heard this because Robert was presenting many times about it. It is an implementation that is modular by design, composed of many modules that are independent from one another and done in a way that is as portable as possible, portable in the Common Lisp meaning of the word, just so these modules can be stolen away and used independently or integrated into other implementations or their users in any way they want to. There is the main repository, but this is not what I will want to talk about here. It is just an entry point for the slides themselves. There are two terms that I would like to introduce during this talk. What it means for a module to be extrinsic and intrinsic. Basically, extrinsic means that a given module can be loaded as just another ASDF system in a way. You have some sort of a library, you load it into your Lisp and you use it just like any other kind of program code, any kind of library. There is also an intrinsic kind of module which is not meant to be loaded this way or cannot be loaded this way, which is basically some sort of code that you use to construct a new implementation from scratch, or you replace the code of your implementation with this new module that basically takes place of the old one. So extrinsic means that something can be loaded as a library without affecting the rest of the system. Intrinsic, either it's a completely new component or it replaces an old one. And what does it mean in this case? I will talk in a moment what is currently done as a part of the SICL project. There are quite many parts of the Common Lisp standard, reader printer and the pretty printer, an implementation of loop macro, the format macro, but wait, there's more. There is a float, input and output routines, the standard function for lists, strings and sequences, and there's more. There is the whole structure dictionary, so like the whole dictionary is just the def struct macro, yes, but everything that is related to structures as well. The package system, the condition system, some simple implementations of describe and inspect. And yes, there's more. There's also arrays, the meta object protocol, implementation of stream classes, hash tables, standard macros, and as you can guess, there's more. There are implementation and compiler building blocks such as lexical environments, first-class global environments, concrete syntax trees as wrapper around as expressions that is a little bit more expressive and contains a little bit more metadata, utilities for internationalization to make your, like, if someone ever decides to make a Common Lisp implementation that is not 100% English top to bottom, and some code utilities for just implementing Lisp in a slightly better way. There are also parts of the compiler which is something to turn S expressions into an abstract syntax tree, and then this into high-level intermediate representation, which is already something meant to be lowered further into machine code, and all utilities related to this. And the reason I didn't want to talk about this previous link is that each of those modules is available in its own Git repository, so they can be pulled on an as-needed basis. All of them are intrinsic, so can replace code from other implementations. Most of them are extrinsic, which means that it can be loaded as a library on top of your, how to say, already running SBCL or Clojure or whatever other implementation without really modifying or replacing any system functionalities. Almost all of them are complete, most of them are tested, some of them are documented, and some of them are automated test suites, so they are tested more than just by being used. And there is a lot of this to check out. We cannot fit this in a lightning talk. I know it because Didier is right here. So here is a lot more details that I cannot fit in here. The QR code is going to stay for a short while, and there is the IRC channel SICL at Libera Chat. Please check it out. Thank you.